Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to discuss a lens that is made by Sigma. It is a 28 to 70 to f2.8. Paid $125 for it. Is it worth the $125 and will it work on today's cameras? Let's get started and find out. Alright, so we have the Sigma lens I was just telling you about. So we're going to shoot some pictures of Denise. We're going to do it at 28, 35, 50, and 70. We're going to take a look at them and see how they look. And then I want you to hear the loud noises that this thing makes. I'll put the microphone up to it so you can for sure hear it. Now I'm just shooting this with the flash on top of the camera. So it's not technically how we would want to do a photo shoot, but to test the lens, we're fine. That looks good. Good smile. Let's get, hold on. All right, here we go. 28, we'll go 28 millimeter. Yeah, that's pretty wide, 28. We'll go up to 35. Bring your chin up just a little bit. There we go, now we'll go to 50. That was good, good smile. And now we'll go to 70 right there. Good smile. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So now I'm going to put the microphone up so you can hear this thing focusing. Do you hear how that's focusing? It's really kind of loud, especially if you're in a wedding ceremony or whatever. It's kind of obnoxious, but it works on the camera. It works good. So we're going to check out these pictures of Denise, and we'll talk a little bit more about this lens. We'll see you guys in a little bit. So there you go, guys. That was the pictures. What did you think about them? Is it the sharpest lens in the world? Probably not. But one thing I noticed with photographers, especially portrait photographers, is we set out on this journey to find the sharpest lens we can find and pay $3,000 for this super sharp lens because it's got to be the sharpest. And then we have to buy a $200 black mist filter because it's too sharp, and you have to tone it down because nobody wants their pores to show. So you don't always have to have it. It's not always the best thing to have the sharpest lens when you're doing portraits. So for $125 and f2.8, this lens is not weather sealed, but I think it is an unbelievable bargain. I only shot a few pictures there to show you. It's a quick video. It's 2 Minute Tuesday, so I'm trying to keep it under 2 minutes, although I know it'll be longer than 2 minutes. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys. 28 to 70, this is it. Hopefully it'll get in focus. 28 to 70, f2.8. It is not the 24 to 70, so you lose 4 on the low end, but for the price of, for that kind of money, I think it's worth it. That was shot on the R6. I did play the noise. It makes a loud focusing noise, so if you're shooting a wedding with it and it's really quiet, it may get a little distracting with that noisy focusing motor, but it works great. Otherwise, for the price, you can't beat it. Anyway, for helping you guys out, give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. You guys have a great day. Thanks. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you.